Okay, so today we have a 2014 Mazda 3, and the customer is requesting to replace spark plugs as well as the drive belt and tensioner.
Alright, so here are the spark plugs I took out. This car has 90,000 miles. Mazda actually recommends replacing spark plugs at 90,000 miles.
Here's what the new plug looks like. Okay, on the next phase, we've got the engine supported by the jack. Because what we need to do is lift the engine up a little bit and support it because we're going to move this motor mount.